Alright, so that is the official trailer teaser video of League of Asians. And if you do not know this, okay, if you have played League of Legends, Dota 2, then probably you will have an idea on how you will be able to play this game. And the good thing here is that this is 5v5, play to earn, also free to play, okay? So before we dive into this brand new MOBA project, please do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another and awesome updates from you guys. So let's just jump right into it, okay? So you will be able to become a founding member just by joining their Telegram, their Discord, their Facebook, their Instagram, their Twitter, and their YouTube. And you can just click this directly, and then you can just open it and then directly join their official Telegram group. So make sure to join there so that you will be get a daily updates from them. So again, it is on Binance Smart Chain, first free to play, play to earn NFT mobile game. Okay, so this is actually good because I can certify that this is really the first MOBA game that is free to play, play to earn in Binance Smart Chain. And there's only one other MOBA game that are also has been launched, which is also in Cardio Chain, but here it is the first in Binance Smart Chain. And there are a lot of features that you will be able to see in League of Legends. First of all is this NFT skin ownership, okay? This is what it really excites me the most. It is because when you are buying skins in MOBA games like Mobile Legends, League of Legends, Wild Rift, Dota 2, name every single MOBA games that you know, those skins are just purely skins, okay? It has an effects probably, but this is more, it's more like flexing or enjoying the most of your character. But in here, since it is NFTs, you are actually owning it, and also you can also sell it if you do not like to have that kind of skin anymore via marketplace. So this is where it comes in. So you'll be able to trade or sell your hero skins for fuse, or fuse them together to get greater rewards. So this is how you will be able to make your money as well. If let's say these skins that is being sold are actually goes up in time and it's actually rarer than you think, then you will be able to make profit from it via marketplace, okay? The other features are NFT staking, wherein if you are holding your LOA, which is League of Asians token, yields by holding onto your NFT skin. So you'll be able to hold it, and you'll be able to earn money from it just by holding your NFT skins as well. So also, MOBA game is another feature, so you will be able to battle it out in the Asian realm for free, and you can earn LOA, which is League of Asians, while doing it. The only concern that I have here is that their name and also like the trademark and everything. I think I really wish them the best on this project, but it's just that it's League of Legends and Defense of the Asians combined with also this kind of design. Also looks like, I think it was Dota 2 or League of, I think this one is League of Legends style, okay? And I just really hope that they do not get some IP, which is intellectual property, or any suits that are impersonating them, okay, without permission, okay? So I just really hope that this will go well. But I mean, I think that's pretty much early for that. So let's now move forward here. So you will be able to play more and even earn more. So there will be two sides of the map, which is Luminous and Dark Souls. And if you haven't know anything about this yet, okay, you will be able, it depends on where the game will place you. If you going to be Luminous or Dark Souls, it is always interchanging over time. But it doesn't matter, it's still fair, okay? So this is pretty much self-explanatory. So this is the map that they've created. So I guess this is the fountain. This is also the fountain of opposing enemy. And then this is the jungle route, okay? So I'm not sure if I can zoom this one out. I think not. So this is the jungle route. So for the junglers, so if you do not know junglers, it is a role in MOBA games that are in charge on ganking, which means they are helping these side lanes to win the team fights and also securing some objectives, which these objectives can further increase their power and also increase their advantage into the current game as well. So there are 3 lanes. So this is the top lane, this is the mid lane, this is the bot lane, and this is the jungle lane. Okay, so since it is 5, okay, let me just explain it to you. So this one lane over here consists of 1 hero, okay, which is the top lane, 1 hero for jungle, 1 hero for mid, and 2 heroes for the bot lane, which consists of the carry and also support. Okay, so this is the heroes that are they releasing into the League of Asians. First of all, it is Kek the Toad, Leon Fist, which looks like an Udyr some sort. This looks like an Ari. I mean, if you do not know the champions that I am saying to you, these are the League of Legends characters that it really resembles, okay, the current design of this. Okay, so there are more that will be releasing soon, so I just really hope for the best for this project. And also the main token inside this game is LOA token. So you will be able to use it or be able to get it via LOA staking. You will be able to use your LOA tokens to earn more currency. Since you are holding it, you'll be able to join into the variety of special events, tournaments, raffles, gambling, and draws, which you will be able to get potential LOA tokens as well. You'll be able to use LOA tokens to make in-game purchases, gaining new hero skins or access to special events. So also, if you have LOA tokens, you have the power to vote, which is also called in crypto terms governance. Okay, so governance has a power on where do you think you want to go, like where do you want to lead the game is. Okay, what do you want to change, do you want to implement, and this is some sort of the governance voting powers that is being held by majority. So enough of that complicated stuff. Let's now talk about the roadmap. Okay, so this is the roadmap, and this is what we can expect in League of Asians. Okay, I actually miss those kind of pronunciation, but going forward, okay, so they've already completed their 2 milestones, which is the ideation, team formation, brand and strategic, rather game logic development, social media channels, which is also you'll be able to find it directly here into their top side of the screen. They've also finished the trailer video, which I already shown to you, this Asians trailer, pre-market marketing and landing page, and even seed fund. So right now they're going to launch. They've already completed their website launch, and also they are constantly updating this roadmap over time. So they are now looking to hold their NFT sale, and also they are looking to launch their own version of their white paper, and also they're looking for more listings like CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and even more. Okay, so this is the tokenomics of League of Asians. There will be 1 billion token supply, and the initial price of LOA token will be 0.05, and 20% is allotted into the team, 50% is allotted into the staking. Sorry if it is pretty much raining here. 25% is allotted into play to earn, 1% is allotted into the liquidity, 4% to the advisors, 5% into the marketing, and 8% for the NFT staking and other single stuff as well. So this is everything that we need to know. I mean probably you are thinking that this is pretty much early to make a video, but I mean, I just really want to give you guys a heads up on this kind of project as well. So of course, do not forget to join their official social media channels right here. You will be able to see it directly into the front page of the screen. Also, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. Again, it is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates from you guys, and see you on the next video.